Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time we have seen about the inheritance in Java, and we have seen some few parts of the inheritance that belongs to, that is, there are types of inheritance. We have seen some types of inheritance there. The types of inheritance, in that type of inheritance we have seen single inheritance, where the one class is derived by another class. Then we have seen the multi-level inheritance, where the level of class, one class is derived by another, and again the child class is derived by again his child class. So in this way that we have seen the multi-level inheritance. And in the last lecture we have seen the hierarchical inheritance, where the one class having a two child class, or we can say one class is having a two child class are inheriting the property of one parent. That two class are inheriting the properties, same properties of one class we have seen. Now there is again two more inheritance, that is a multi-level inheritance, and another is a hybrid inheritance. So multiple inheritance is, what is multiple inheritance and why it is not possible in Java, and how we, if we want to implement the multiple inheritance, how we can implement. That's we are going to see in a next video. Today I am going to take about the hybrid inheritance. So what is a hybrid inheritance? Actually, the hybrid inheritance is a combination of more than two inheritance. In above diagram you can see here, this is class A is inherited by class B and class C. So this is this block is known as an hierarchical inheritance. But if we will go to this side, we will see that class CB is derived by class C, and class D is derived by class, another class, that is an E class. So in this, here we can see this is a combination of multi-level and this is a combination of hierarchical. The combination of two types of inheritance, a combination of any multiple types of inheritance is known as an hybrid inheritance. But if we are combining the hierarchical inheritance and multiple inheritance, that is not possible in Java programming, but we can make it possible. How we can make it possible, that we are going to see in the next lecture. First we will see the combination of hierarchical and multi-level inheritance, that is known as a hybrid inheritance. Now let's see how the hybrid inheritance in Java. You can see here the multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance में क्या है? Grandfather, father and son, or we can say the combination of multi-level grandfather, father and daughter. इन दोनों का प्लस करके हमारे पास क्या मिलता है? Hierarchical inheritance. सबसे पहले हमको hierarchical inheritance मिलता है father plus father, father and son and daughter. It's having a son and daughter. The combination of hierarchical and combination of multi-level inheritance is called as hybrid inheritance. You can see here the grandfather has been inherited by the father, and father has been inherited by his son and his daughter. Now let's see some again few example. Very see, first the combination. Here is a grandparent. We can see the parent class which having one son. सब parent class I can say, उनका ये son है, ये देखो ये parent, ये क्या करेगा? इसकी property inherit करेगा. So these parent having a two child, that is child 1 and child 2. So you can see these type of inheritance, इन दोनों का जो inheritance है उसको क्या बोला गया है? That is known as a single inheritance. You can see these, the relation between these two is known as a single inheritance. And the father and two sons. This relationship is called as an hierarchical inheritance. The combination of single inheritance and the combination of hierarchical inheritance is known as an hybrid inheritance. Now let's go with the another example, that is my favorite, mobile. We are having a mobile. The mobiles, there are two companies, that is the mobile is having a two types of company. Here we are seeing the hierarchical combination, Samsung Mobile and Nokia Mobile. So these both are belongs to which parent? Mobile parent, because this Samsung Mobile is there and Nokia Mobile. Now here you can see again subtypes of this from this Samsung Mobile company. They have again launched one more mobile, that is known as a Samsung M20. Means this is a child of this Samsung Mobile, because it's inherited the previous Samsung Mobile properties plus its own properties. Here again the Nokia Mobile, and the Nokia Mobile is also having a one is Nokia Mobile, and it's having a 4G. It is a one pattern. It's also having its own combinations. Now let's see with the program here. We having a one class. Wait. We having a one class. एक क्लास, दैट इज वन क्लास इज अ मोबाइल क्लास. एक क्लास है हमारे पास मोबाइल क्लास का, जहां पे मेरे पास एक प्रेस बटन का ऑप्शन है, वो फंक्शन है, मेथड है. नाउ आई एम हैविंग वन मोर क्लास दैट इज नोन एज अ सैमसंग एंड इट एक्सटेंड द मोबाइल. मीन्स इसने क्या बनाया, रिलेशनशिप बनाया. इट इज अ चाइल्ड ऑफ ए मोबाइल. सैमसंग इज अ चाइल्ड, सैमसंग मोबाइल्स आर द चाइल्ड ऑफ द मोबाइल, and Nokia mobiles are also a child of a mobile. Okay, both, and both having one functionality that is known as a touch screen. With it is also having a touch screen. Now this Samsung mobile is having another one child, that is it's having again more functionality, that is have own functionality, that is known as an Android functionality. And here also again Nokia is having a 4G types of Nokia mobile. It's extend the properties, extend the relationship. We can say extend the relationship between the Nokia mobile. Is a child of a Nokia mobile, the Nokia 4G, and it's having is again its main property, that is the Android. Yeah, you can see here. This is the how their relationship is formed between the combination of a hierarchical and combination of a single inheritance or multi-level. We can say it is, अगर हम लोग इस तरीके से देखेंगे, से मोबाइल सैमसंग एंड सैमसंग M20, this will become what? This will become a multi-level inheritance. If we will see this side, mobile Nokia and Nokia 4G, this will also become a multi-level inheritance. The combination, if we will join, but parent is common for the both the Nokia and Samsung, that is a mobile. So these two combination is known as the combination of this, because the mobile has been extended by the Samsung also, and this mobile is also extended by the Nokia also. So we can say this is a hierarchical inheritance. Now let's see one example. Very nice example I am having here. Same program. Excuse me. Now you can see here, यहाँ पे मेरे पास एक मोबाइल क्लास है, I am a mobile. It has been exchanged by Samsung. You can see here it has been exchanged by the Samsung, and also it has been exchanged by Samsung, and even you can say it has been exchanged by Nokia also. Means Nokia mobile and the Samsung mobile having belongs to same parent. They both are same, they having a same parent. Okay. Now this Samsung M20 is a grandchild of our Nokia, of our only mobile. This you can say, but it extend the Samsung, means Samsung is a parent of the Samsung M20. Now here again we can say, अगर Nokia का चाइल्ड देखेंगे हम लोग तो कौन सा है, Nokia 4G. Extend the properties of Nokia. So we can see here now how we are going to implement it. Here I am having a main class, public class, that is a mobile Nokia Samsung, the combination. The यहाँ पे मैंने public static void main मेथड यहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंट किया है, जहां पे मैंने Samsung 20 जो मेरा चाइल्ड क्लास है, चाइल्ड ग्रांड चाइल्ड क्लास है, SA उसका ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया. देन आई हैव कॉल्ड ऑल द प्रेस बटन, टच फंक्शन एंड एंड्रॉइड. दिस प्रेस बटन इज बिलोंग टू विच, it is belong to grandparent. This function is belong to grandparent, and this function, but this we have called with the object of, and this is from parent, and this function is from own function. Okay, it's having its own function. Now you can see. Now again I am having a Nokia 4G, that is again one more child is that grandchild the mobile is having, and it is and its parent is Nokia, and Nokia 4G is a grandparent, and we have created the object of Nokia, that is NA. So from the NA object we have called the press button. This press button method is from a grandparent, and we have also take the parent method, that is a touch, and also it having its own functionality, that is a own method, that is a Android. Now let's see its implementation. Command prompt. Now we are going to Java C. I am going to compile with Java C and the mobile. My file name is mobile. Samsung.java. Now this I have done. Yes, some mistake I have done with the spellings of my file name. That I require here K and H should be a capital. Yes, now it's work. It has been compiled successfully. Now I am going to run it. For running, I will not write the dot, only I will going to write the my file name, and only I will run with only the Java command. So you can see here I am a mobile Samsung with touch screen and with Android system. Okay, and second output I have got, that is an I am a mobile Nokia with the touch screen and with the Android system. Now in this way how the hybrid inheritance work. In this way the hybrid inheritance work. In the next lecture we are going to see about how we can implement the multiple inheritance using interface, and why the multiple inheritance is not possible with the keyword extend, why the class can't be inheritance, multiple inheritance can't be done with the classes, why it is so, that also we are going to in the next lecture. So don't miss it, and also have a nice day. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe and like it, and also mention some comment if you having any queries. If you like it, then also bye bye.